today I'll be showing you some simple experiments to demonstrate how static electricity works. So by the end of this video, you'll see how static electricity is created, how attraction and repulsion happens, and how this relates to electrostatics concept. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started!
Tribunal.
Let's go! Pero wait, kung saan man nato pag-create ng static electricity kung wala tayong mga materials?
Until the end of time 지금 난 간절히 원해
These are the materials we will use. A plastic cover, a tissue paper person, a piece of fabric, and 2 balloons. Each item will help us see how electric charges behave.
But before we jump into the experiment, here's a quick explanation of what is electrostatics. So, what is electrostatics? Well, electrostatics is the study of electric charges that stay in one place. Like when you rub 2 materials together, electric moves, giving one object a negative charge. And remember, opposite charges attract, same charges repel, and even a neutral object can still be pulled by a charged object. So, let's get started.
For our first experiment, we have the tissue paper person. I cut a small figure out of tissue paper. And then, I'll charge this plastic cover by rubbing it in a rolling chair. Now I'll bring it close to the tissue paper person. The plastic cover becomes negatively charged while the paper person is neutral. A charged object can attract a neutral one. This shows electrostatic attraction. For our second experiment, I have 2 balloons. I'll rub both balloons on the fabric to give them negative charges. Now I'll bring them close together. As you can see, the balloons repel each other because they have the same charge. This demonstrates electrostatic repulsion.
Oh my god!
So now that we know how electrostatics works, let's look at where we actually see it in real life. Pretty cool, right? As you can see, electrostatics isn't just for experiments. It's all around us in our everyday life. Now, let's quickly summarize what we learned today from our experiments. To summarize, first, rubbing materials moves electrons and creates static charge. Second, neutral objects can be attracted to charged objects. Third, opposite charges attract, same charges repel. And lastly, we saw attraction in tissue paper experiment and repulsion in the balloon experiment. So guys, if you want, you can try these experiments at home too. They're very easy and fun to do. And if you have questions or want to share your own results, feel free to leave a comment. So, that's it for today's electrostatics vlog, guys. So see you to my next vlog. Bye guys! Thank you for watching!